Hello, Mrs. Leganke again for math class. So I'm looking at Thursday. Already we made it to Thursday, so that's awesome. So there's going to be a VAT quiz practice, and there's an optional Go formative, and there's a challenge in there. So if you're feeling good about the concept and want to challenge yourself, go for it. Again, make sure your 3 lessons are done for Dreambox, and we're going to do a Quizlet Live today at 10 o'clock, so that should be a lot of fun. Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Leganke looking at Wednesday's work for math class. So we're going to look at a practice link on that quiz.org, and this is a live link. You can launch it here or on the Wednesday page, and then keep up with your Dreambox. So I want you to log in to that quiz first, so you can hit this link. It'll take you right there. So when you select the live link for thatquiz.org, it takes you to a page like this. It has unlimited practice problems on angles. Your first step would be to make sure your feedback is on, so it grades you. It tells you right or wrong right away, so that's good feedback for you. Our first problem here, we have x and 110. 2 angles next to each other on a straight line are called supplementary angles. So we'd have an angle plus another angle equals 180. So in here we have x plus 110 equals 180, and that's going to be 70. So we're type in 70, and watch what happens with the feedback. See how I get the check mark? That means I got it right. So the feedback on is a really good feature. We have supplementary angles again here. Kind of weird, it's the same similar problem. What plus 70 equals 180? This one's going to be 110. So you type in 110, hit OK, and yay, I got that one right too. The next picture has vertical angles, and vertical angles are congruent, so they're the same measure. So I would type in 90 for this one, and hit OK, got it right. So keep moving through and practicing these. It's unlimited practice. Make sure that the feedback is on so you know how you're doing as you go. It will give you a final score at the end. You can hit the link as many times as you want for unlimited practice. Okay, so that's all for today. That's the VAT quiz link. Again, if you want a challenge, go for it. Make sure your 3 lessons are done for the week. And there's extra help if you need it. Okay, take care, guys.